stuck in my hand, guys. Play with Kyra. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, Finn's vegetarian and my mother. So we're making 2 pizzas because my mother is so look at my t-shirt and my hats. I'm chef cook. And by accident spilled the water. Cheers. Oh, sticky. Soft. So yummy. Google color. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Cold. I don't know. It overflowed. My 20 grams of yeast. Today it's different. Notice. We have 400 grams of flour. Got it. We need all of them. It's super gross. We need a whisk. We need a bowl. First, we need flour. Another one. Now we need the water. Which we cannonball. Now let's put some salt. Sugar. Oil. Now we mix it. All sugar. Stuck. Ew. I'm touching it. Ew. I just touched it. But it looks like slime. Then we put the yeast. Now mix it. No, not this. It's gonna go with me. Oh. Now this goes. Some pizza. We're making pizza. Goo goo gaga. Let it rest for 16 minutes. It's heavy. Hi, gut. I'm not gonna out this. Put flour in the baking cake. I'm gonna get to the stuck in my hand. TV, tofu, tap. So hey guys, so my mom is gonna put this inside the oven because it's dangerous for me. I might get hot. So after it's finished, let's put that in it. Now we put the mozzarella. This is my favorite. Now we put the cheese. We're done. So my mom's gonna put it in the oven. Now let's put it there. So the pizza's already finished, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye guys.